Hello everyone, I'm Anna Silva, Project Coordinator at ZERODEFECTS 4.0, and we're using data to save resources and empower shop floor staff. We know that ensuring a high level of product quality is today a challenge for many industries. This is because clients' expectations and quality standards are increasing, product combinations are multiplying, thus adding greater complexity, and we also know that defect products generate the wastage of valuable resources. At ZERODEFECTS 4.0, we wanted to tackle that. So we thought of developing a system that would support manufacturing industries into their decision-making processes for quality. So the hypothesis that we had was, could we use data to save resources and help reduce defects? So we gathered a team of knowledgeable partners with expertise in the areas of manufacturing, data science and analytics, IoT, and digital technologies applied to manufacturing. We have developed a system that recommends actions in order to maximize product quality. What it does is that it analyzes production orders and checks the conditions of the raw materials that will be used in those orders. It then predicts defects per production order and signals quality issues that staff should take into account. It then recommends concrete actions that shop floor teams can take to maximize quality. This solution is currently being tested at one of Sanai Arauco's industrial sites in Portugal. In terms of benefits, we expect that the zero-defect solution will help improve product quality through the reduction of defects. It will also promote a better usage of natural resources such as wood, and also will help shop floor staff through a better decision-making. For example, in one of Sanai Arauco's sites, we expect that in the first year of implementation, this system will help save almost 245 tons of wood. We're thus helping manufacturing companies through data and artificial intelligence. This project has been nominated for the EIT Awards 2020. We're very thrilled about that. And if you want to know more about the project, we invite you to visit our virtual booth here at the EIT Manufacturing Summit.